My name is Mudassar Rasool. I am graduate student of mathematics. I have a publication on computational fluid dynamics. I am solving a problem on data-driven modeling with machine learning. Then I saw an advertisement by Information Technology University. It was offering short course on Python with AI and ML. ITU is renowned institution across Pakistan, so I decided to take it. Here I learned about how to interpolate, extrapolate and manage the data by using Python and machine learning. Here instructor was so hardworking, caring and passionate towards studies and students. After taking the course Python with machine learning and artificial intelligence, I am able to manage diverse data set by using machine learning techniques with Python. It is quite helpful for my research projects. ITU is offering number of short courses for people of all domains with experienced staff and industry experts. You can check short courses on the website of ITU for your skill development.